My name is Luis Baez. I'm a chiropractic intern at Brogan University. I have my patient today, Mr. Pillow. Mr. Pillow, I'm going to be performing the heart exam. Is it okay if I quick palpate and use my stethoscope on you? And if it was a female, I will tell the patient to cover breast tissue at most of her abilities just to keep the integrity of the exam. And first, I will start looking for the six heart sounds. We have the first on the right, second intercostal space. The other one is on the left, second intercostal space. The third one is going to be on the third intercostal space. The other one's going to be on the fourth intercostal space. Then we have the fifth and in the fifth intercostal space, and we have a sixth more lateral to the rib in that case, and on the intercostal space. Um, I'll be palpating the carotid artery. It's gonna be level. It's gonna be close to the carotid during. I'm gonna be palpating the carotid artery during auscultation. Um, so I told the patient I'm gonna be using the bell and the diaphragm, and whenever I'm palpating, my two fingers are gonna be on the patient's carotid artery. So I'll be listening to the sounds when I'm palpating. So the neck. Okay, so next I'm gonna be using the bell. For it, I'm gonna be doing the same thing, but just with the bell. Well, and that should be it. Thank you, Mr. Bill, for your time, and we'll have your for the next evaluation. Thank you.